Lately, videos showing the behaviors of these kinds of AI-generated animated monster animals are getting a lot of engagement and views. In this video, I will show you the logic behind how you can create such content yourself by preparing a sample video. First, open ChatGPT, paste the updated master prompt that I have specially prepared for you for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt manually or with the help of an AI tool to fit the video you want to create, depending on the video's length and script. At this stage, creating a fixed animated character for this content type and branding through that character would be a good tactic for you. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is one of our communities linked in the description section of our video. Because these videos are based on short and fast consumption, I requested one image prompt and one video prompt for you in my prompt. First, copy the image prompt you generated with ChatGPT and go to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the image prompt you copied into the prompt section. Select the 9:16 vertical format and create your image in the resolution you want. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. After checking the generated image and confirming it is as we want, we save it. Once our image is created, return to ChatGPT and copy the video command. Return to OpenArt and select the Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings according to your budget. I am choosing VO 3.1 as the video production model. You can use different video production models according to the type of result you want. I place the first scene image I downloaded into the Start Frame section and then paste my video command into the command box. After ensuring the audio setting is on, I choose the fast mode of VO 3.1. If you want higher quality results, you can produce in quality mode, or if your budget is lower, you can produce in light mode. Finally, after selecting the 9:16 vertical format, I set it to 720p quality and choose my output preferences for an 8-second video length, then click the Generate button. Of course, most importantly, while producing this kind of content for YouTube, do not forget that copying content exactly and producing low-quality content without making any changes is a policy violation. Do not forget to adapt, personalize, and share the types of content you are inspired by or want to do something similar to by adding value yourself. The final result of the video we produced will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel